Good day, gentlemen and ladies. So as I told you on my previous video, I bought 27 sheet of metal for covering my roof on my garage. However, these are second-hand steel sheet, and I'm gonna show you just closer. What I have to do is I have to plug each hole with silicone, and so all these all need to be plugged. So basically I set up my station, so you're gonna see me doing that, and stay on. Cheers. I forget my gloves. So you get the idea. So I use silicone, paintable silicone. Right now it's just to fill up the hole. So that will be it for this. Right, cheers. Good day, gentlemen and ladies. All right, as you can see, I'm about half of it done, but I ran out of Flextra, the silicone I'm using, which is paintable. So I shall go to the corner store, the surplus hardware store, to have some. I bought about 3 or 4 more that type of silicone, and I shall return. Cheers. Good day, gentlemen and ladies. Today it's the great day of installing my steel sheet, my second-hand steel sheet on the roof of my garage. I've got 2 days to do that, and I think I will be almost done by tonight. Now, it took me a long time to, like you see, to patch all the holes on the second-hand sheet. These are 32 inches large by 10 feet long, and that is exactly why I chose them, because the one side of my garage is exactly 10 feet. Now, before installing these, I need to explain to you is I need to cut. I'm gonna show you that. The edge there, I'm gonna cut it really flush to the flashing. When that is cut, then I'm gonna install the new flashing over, so that way it will do a nice finish. So it's gonna be, this is the top there, the top portion. So that's gonna be the steel sheet will go on there, and that's gonna be the side. Okay, so you're going to see me that before attempting cutting this, but I need to clean the roof of any type of debris, and that will be it. Now, just hold on, I'm gonna put it like this. Both of my neighbor are contractor. They build houses, they do renovate. Each of them have their point of view about how to install this. They all have the same, they agree with me, it's no longer necessary or needed to me to install forends every 16 inches. You can install it right flush. Mario, my good neighbor, is telling me that only use a 30-pound, remove everything, use a 30-pound. And my other neighbor, I forget his name, he said just stick in the membrane. And both of them, I told them, listen, if I do leave the shingle, which is perfectly working good right now, all right, and he said, yeah, it will work. So that's what I'm going to do. Just clean. I'm gonna change my arm. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna install the flashing on each side, not the bottom, and install right away. So that way it will be waterproof. The air will circulate better because of each edge of the old shingle will create a gap of air, and it will circulate. Any moisture trap, it will go down. It's already it's working good. And believe it or not, I'm gonna make only one video of that. Despite I've been working like this, it took me about 1 full day to patch those 27 sheet steel sheet. So I'm going to do that. All right, so I'm gonna cut the other side. So I like a nice finish, so it will be easier when I put the flashing. All right, so see you later. All right, gentlemen, so as you can see, the 3 bar, that's my rain gutter that I removed. Then I installed the flashing on each side, and stay along. I'm gonna bring the camera on the roof. Okay, cheers. So right now we are at the top of the roof. What I've done, it took me about an hour and a half and almost 2 hours to clean the top of the roof with my good broom. So right now I did clean everything, and I'm gonna use the broom again to give one more sweep before installing the sheets. So now it's the sheet installation on the roof itself. Okay, so stay along. All right, cheers. completed one side. I will complete the other side early, so it's around 2 o'clock. I should be able to make it for the for this side. Tomorrow is gonna be the painting day. That's what I predict. So, all right, cheers. All right, gentlemen. So I'm missing a little patch there. So that's what I'm using. I'm using my Wagner. It's a wide shot 6.6. I have that paint sprayer since, hey boy, I have 15 years around there, I think. I only use it about maybe the first 3 years, and then it was on storage basically. So I did almost half of the roof with 1 gallon of trim-clad gloss brown, and it's not enough to cover, so I'm gonna miss some for sure, but I will go buy some. But yeah, so right now I'm not using my GoPro because it's quite volatile. I'm using my whole cell phone, and you're gonna see me spray paint that side. Well, I have 1/5 left, so I'm going to buy. It's still early, it's around 3 o'clock. Alright, gentlemen, so that Wagner wide shot power painter, now it's all clean, store oil, ready to be used in the next 12 years. I mean, I'm gonna go to the garage because it's smelling a lot of fuel. It's not meant for thick paint. I cannot dilute that type of paint. That's what they said. So it was not spraying very well. But anything like stain, well, it was in 2005. I had to redone a huge fence, and by staining it, and it went very well. For stain, maybe light paint, no problem. But for thick paint like this, like that trim-clad gloss brown, really thick, it's tough going. So I'm very proud of. Oh, by the way, you see the little roof there? I always, when I do put a steel roof, I always do like this. I'm just gonna cut it a little bit corner, and usually I put a small oil lamp or something like that. It's my kind of signature. So now it's all done, well, very well painted, and it's nice and shiny. I will have no more leaks. I ain't gonna reinstall the rain gutters. That's a pain of the bum to clean every time, unless I put like a clean. So you can see that. All right. It's almost 6 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock actually. I have to edit that video. I want to publish that tonight. And for the next couple of days, no more videos, because I'm gonna help Joe's to move to in house in transition to his mother-in-law house while he's waiting for his new house. All right, so I made one video. It was a huge project for me. I mean, you all saw the part. It took me about a day to clean those 27 sheets of a steel sheet and then silicone them. It took me about the running cost roughly. If you just go with my head and follow me on that, it was $245 for the steel sheet. It cost me roughly 3.75 liters, and I have about half left, so it's about maybe 9 liters. So those one were running $50 plus or minus plus the tax, so it's $175. The silicone tube, I must have paid about 8 of them, so $80 of silicone. I put high quality silicone, by the way. It's a flex straw, so this one is good. The screws, it was around $50. So I do the calculation. Later on I will read you out as I speak right now. It's not showing around here. All right. So please take care of yourself. Now for this year, I think I had a lot of things done for this summer. I'm very proud of all my accomplishments. I mean, for the house-wise, the deck, the rain gutters, the windows, the wood itself, the firewood, even for the shed, I touch everything, the floor inside. I still have some minor project like very small detail, but that's it. All right, so please take care of yourself. Cheers.